Hello everyone, I am Akansha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I come with two job opportunities come from both Tata groups. The first one is Tata Communication. The company's purpose is to deliver a new world of communication, unleashing new growth opportunities for customers while making a positive, tangible impact on wider society. If you have done BTech in computers, electronics, electrical, telecom engineering, you will be eligible for this post. If you are a fresher or have less than 2 years of experience, then you can apply. Job designation is Junior Team Member Service Engineer. Job responsibility will be the team identifies key engineering initiatives based on customer requirements, network requirements, new applications, and services and assesses the technical infrastructure feasibility with the product team. Discuss the requirement with product groups in conjunction with sales team for complex requirement and provide input around the feasibility of solution and solution alternatives. You need a CV, cover letter and additional documents to apply this post. It is excellent opportunity, so please apply ASAP. Link is in description box. Next one is from Tata Health. If you have done BE Tech in computer science IT related streams, then you will be eligible for this post. There is a requirement of 2021 pass out batch only. Job designation is Associate Programmer. Your scores should be in 10th greater than 70%, in 12th greater than 70%, and in graduation level it will be greater than 7 CGPA. Desired skills. You have strong analytical skills and problem solving skills. You have very good programming skills and good understandings of data structure and algorithm. You have interest in computer technologies. You have interest in programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, etc. You have interest in cloud computing, mobile apps and data analytics. You can get an annual CTC of up to 7 lakhs per annum. If you lie within eligibility, then there will be an online test. After that interview, then you will get a job. The link is in description box, so please apply ASAP. It is excellent opportunity to share with your friends, so share it. It motivates me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.